Welcome back to my channel Cloudmaster. So today we are going to see dependencies. What are these dependencies and where to use them? So in our last video, when we created a container and blob, so you might have got an error. When you run it again, it will go away. So why does it happen? We will see that. So uh, in last video, we created storage account and a container. And within that container, we had one blob. We created one storage account. We created one container within that storage account. And we created one blob within that to upload the file. So it does not guarantee that since we have created all these resources in this particular order, so uh, Terraform is going to create these resources in this order only, right? So let's go back to our Visual Studio Code. So you see here, um, we have this storage account, then container, and then blob. So it does not guarantee that it will create first a storage account, then container, and then blob. So for that, we have dependencies, right? So we are telling by creating a, using dependency, we are telling that this particular resource, which is blob, is depending on this resource, and this resource is depending on this resource. So how can we do that? Let me show you. Depends on. So let me show you how can we mention the dependencies. Depends on containers. And we can come to containers. Depends on storage account. So when we use this command, so it will not go ahead and try to find the resource which does not exist. It knows it will create this blob when this container is created. It's already there, and it will create this container when this storage account is already there. If this storage account is not there, it will not create this container, and if this container is not there, it will not create the blob. So you will not receive any error. So if you're creating multiple resources where they depend on each other, please use depends on function. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you receive the notifications when I upload the next videos in this series. Thank you. Bye-bye.